Boom, live. Oh, the allergies are killing me. I don't think I've been live very much on my personal page this year that often. Maybe once or twice. I don't remember. You know, we've done a lot of decks. It's the middle to end of April, and we're pushing in on 40 deck systems, armor coated, with the world's toughest deck armor system, Kong Armor. And right now, I'm in Burlington, Kentucky, and this deck system is going to be my featured project. And the reason I'm going live is because I want you guys to come over to Kong Armor and follow me over there. Follow our progress on this system over there via stories. We're going to upload stories on it. We're going to upload video content on it. It's going to be an amazing transformation that's going to save this homeowner thousands of dollars over deck replacement, and at the very minimum, deck floor replacement. Okay, this I call the river deck, and it's a deck system that has number one, peeling bare deck over. Number two, it has ugly deck syndrome, board rot, fastener corrosion, mildew growth, mold growth, you name it. If it's a problem for a deck system, the river deck has it. Okay, what's up, Mike? Mike is a very gifted social media marketer. That's a painter himself here in Cincinnati in northern Kentucky. Mike Sly is in here. You guys check him out. I believe that he has a painting company here locally. So go follow him and follow his work. I've seen a house that you just painted recently. Very, very beautiful. Very beautiful. You guys check out Mike whenever you can. I think it's Michael Sly. Anyways, I'm going to take you guys up and I'm going to show you guys the river deck. It needs a lot of work, but I'm going to show you guys how we're going to save this homeowner from full deck replacement, and why I want you guys to go over to Kong. I want you guys to go over to Kong and press like and press follow so that you can get updates and see this project as it unfolds, because it's going to be a miracle, and it's really going to demonstrate. It's going to demonstrate exactly what we do with deck rescue painting. Let me get out of the shade. It's going to demonstrate exactly what we do with deck rescue painting, okay? It's a process that saves the homeowner from this problem. Let's take a look at the river deck, okay? So I'm going to be updating. This will be my featured project. We have 5 or 6 decks going on right now, but this one has my main focus because what we're doing here is something that's very important. We're taking and we're going to save this homeowner's savings account is basically what we're doing. We're trying to save them from a financial burden. And anytime we can do this for a homeowner, it's awesome. So we're going to go up, and you can see that what we have is an extremely sun-scorched deck system. What's up, Tom? How are you, man? What's up, Catherine? I hope you guys are all well. Let me wave to y'all real quick. Who else is in here? Glenna, hey. Extremely sun-scorched. Peeling bare deck over. Wood rot. As you can see, Jeremy has already pulled several planks out of here, right? So how we're going to do this is Kong Armor. Our deck armor system, it can absolutely resurface and restore and lock down these sun damaged planks. Okay, so we got that on lock. We already know that we can resurface this. We already know that we can protect this and draw this deck system back out and make it beautiful. So what's key for us is we're going to come in and we're going to replace every board that we absolutely vitally must replace. So if they're too far gone with rot, if the rot is all the way through, if it's a bad deal, we can't restore it, we can't epoxy it, we can't fix it, it's coming out, okay? This way, the homeowner avoids, because we have the power of Kong, we can resurface the rest of these. And this way, the homeowner avoids the cost to replace this entire deal. And, you know, if you're a deck contractor, you're going to at least want to come in and rip this down to the frame, okay, and restart. Thank you, Catherine. I appreciate you. They're all going to want to come in and rip this down to the frame, restart, rebuild out, okay? If not, it's not worth it to them. They have to make a profit somehow, right? So by us just coming in and replacing what is absolutely vital to replace, and then using the thick build, high stretch, ultra tough, lifetime Kong armor deck coating system, we can rebuild and resurface out all of this and save the homeowner from the cost of ripping it up and replacing it. And that's kind of what Jeremy's over there doing right now. He's going around and he's taking the planks that are absolutely vital to be restored out of here. We'll take them out, we'll get them out, and we've got the new lumber over here. And lumber, let me tell you something, guys. Lumber is insanely expensive in 2021. That's about $500 in lumber right there, and it's just a few boards, 10, 12, 13 boards. It's about 500 bucks, right? So you can imagine redoing all of this, the cost. It's thousands upon thousands. It's absurd. Now, another tool that we have that we can help homeowners with when they have a deck system like this is something called silverback epoxy, okay? And we can help them if they're already facing down so much board replacement and the cost is extremely high, right? We can utilize silverback to repair minor boards like this. And maybe they have a tiny bit of rot around a fastener. We can come in with kill shot, kill this rot, come over with the silverback epoxy, fill this type of stuff in, okay? We'll take the corroded fastener out of there, bring in the rust kill, and then come over this with silverback epoxy and fill these areas in instead of replacing that board. That's a powerful tool. So Kong is a powerful tool. Silverback epoxy is a powerful tool, okay? And it'll save them from replacing every single one of these. All right? So just what's absolutely vital is what we're here to replace. Just what's absolutely vital, okay? After that, bring in the new lumber, and what we're going to do is resurface, rebuild these planks out with a nice thick, super build layer of Kong, and this will be insanely beautiful, insanely gorgeous. There's also other restoration that we're doing here. I'll show you guys. So there's fascia boards that are rotten that we're taking out, right? Stuff like that. There's several spindles that must come out, absolutely have to come out. But the reason I'm wanting you guys to go to Kong, and if you guys look at the description of this live, you guys will see the business name. I might have put, I don't think I did put the link in there. But if you click on the business name where it says Kong Armor in the description, it'll shoot you to our page. When you get on our page, press like and press follow. And then what ends up happening is, supposedly, Facebook will start sending you our content. And you'll get updated as the river deck progresses. And you can see how we take this deck system that any other deck contractor on the planet would say, it's over. It's done. You're done. It's over. You're facing down 20, 25 grand, right? You can see how we take that and we flip it for a fraction of the price. and restore this system and save the homeowner savings account. You'll be able to witness that live, because that content will get uploaded and you'll see it in your feed. So please go to Kong. Facebook is making it harder and harder and harder for us to reach you organically. They're making it super hard for us to tell a story. They don't want us to be able to reach you organically and tell a story and tell you how we help people. They want it all to be paid. So we need you guys to fight back and go to Kong and press like and press follow, so you can receive our content, as much of it as they will send, right? Thank you guys for watching. I hope that you guys go there. I know a lot of you already have, but for those of you that see this later in Memorex or anytime, please go to the page and like. Also, we need you on our YouTube. We're moving a lot of people over to YouTube, because if you have a YouTube account and you watch videos on there, if you go to our channel and you subscribe to it, YouTube is ultra good about organically showing you content. Okay, it's a lot easier to get content there than it is on Facebook. Facebook is kind of cutting down on that, unfortunately. So please, by all means, go to our YouTube. There's an easy link to get there. You can go to bit.ly/Kong2. Again, that's bit.ly/Kong2. All right, I'll see you guys later. Stay updated. Stay updated on the river deck. Stay updated, because this is a miracle transformation here that's happening. Watch, you guys will see.